Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in sentiment for sports, clocking in at plus 0.42 with momentum at plus 0.44. This is significant, because it's the highest sentiment score we've observed in the last month, indicating a surge in positive feelings around recent games or events. Our API returns real-time sentiment scores, semantic clusters, and momentum indicators, allowing you to pinpoint exactly what's driving the conversation in the sports world. Imagine integrating this data into your sports analytics dashboard to provide fans with insights on team performance and public sentiment, enhancing engagement during high-stakes games. For more details, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's make sense of the sentiment together.